Hello dear gardeners, and welcome back to my channel. And I guess I should say welcome back to myself, because it's been quite a while since I posted something. I'm sorry about that in one way, and I'm not sorry in another way. In the last couple of years I focused on my profession, and gardening was just a side hobby that I only maintained. I maintained the plants that I had at home, I maintained the plants that I had in my balcony. And this year I switched it up a notch. I came back to gardening and I came outdoors. No, it's not my land, it's sort of my land, it's my parents' land. And this year I decided, because I had no more space in the balcony garden on my inside jungle that started not to look like a jungle anymore, I've decided to take it up a notch and to bring the gardening outdoors. And I was thinking not only that I want colorful plants with flowers this time, because most of the plants that I featured on my channel were without flowers, so were mostly green leaves or shrubs like the calamansi, calamondin citrus shrub. And I've decided that I want edibles this year. And right now you are at my parents' garden and you are looking at two raised garden beds. Raised garden beds, yeah, that's the one. So yeah, this is it. I have a couple of more in the making, and as you can see here I have some pots. This is just an intro. I will take it this year slowly by slowly. I will take separate videos and I'm gonna show you the results, if I have results of course, and I'm gonna also show you how it is to make outdoor gardening in pots. Yeah, so here is just a quick preview. If you're interested to see how these pots are developing or what I'm planting in, I'm kindly asking you to come with a comment down below, to like this video, so you give me an incentive to start making videos outdoor. And of course, like always, I'm gonna share everything that I'm learning with you. First, I want to tell you that my goal with this channel is to share gardening knowledge from my own experience. What I learn, what I experiment, this is what I want to share with you. And when I started it because I couldn't find answers on the World Wide Web. I couldn't find answers about the Madagascar jasmine fruit. So this is how I started my channel. And because I kept getting comments and questions in the comment section, I saw that there is a need for knowledge. So although this year I'm experimenting something else, which is outdoor jungling, yeah, gardening, transforming in this little spot of land into hopefully a garden, a jungle garden. Yeah, I'm switching a little bit from interior to exterior, but I still hope to bring you some piece of new information that you might not find somewhere else. And why is that? Because I am experimenting with pots and with raised garden beds in a temperate climate. We are in Romania, so we are in the west part of Romania. We have 4 seasons, but in the last few years spring comes late. So we are in May, spring comes late, it's still cold outside, the temperature of the soil, it's cold. So I'm also gardening a little bit late for the usual gardening. So other people already have radishes, they already have salad from their own garden. I started late because with the help of my husband and my father, I had to build the raised garden beds. What you can see over here is that I also brought the remaining of the citrus tree, the remaining of the calamansi. I brought it outside, and over there in the back I have a couple of more. Sorry about the finger. And I will make a separate video telling you what happened in the last 1.5 years or 2 since I last updated the videos regarding the calamansi on my balcony. Basically, I had a huge mealybug infestation, and by the time I found a good cure, I lost most of them, and these are the top 3 survivors. So top 3 contenders for being kept alive, I guess. Okay, over here I have some berry shrubs of different kinds, and actually on this raised garden bed I have 3 ones that are doing well. Over here I have another one that is doing well, and over here I have 1, 2, 3 that are still thinking if they want to survive or not. And in between I have something from the lettuce family. I do not know the English name, but I'm gonna look for it once I will make separate videos about everything that you can see over here. I have also mint, garden mint, that I just found near the fence, almost surrounded by grass, so I hoped I saved it and I potted over here. And here I have some blueberry bushes and my first flowers in the afternoon sun. I hope you like also the light. And this is emerging salad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pick some of it out so it has space to develop. And over here I have seeds, flower seeds. I will tell you all about it. I'm trying to bring some beneficial flowers into the garden. And also I have a grape over here, future grape, yeah. And over there some hazelnut, just planted, so it's gonna take a couple of years before I can show you any result over there. And here I have some strawberries, and I have some strawberries in a different part of the garden. But yeah, this is the project for this year. I'm excited, it's something new. I will show you, although it looks deplorable, the balcony garden that I still have left. Yeah, I hate mealybugs. This is the conclusion of the last couple of years. I really hate them with all my heart, and hopefully I will not have to see them ever again. I don't know if you hear, but I hear birds, so many birds. It's just gorgeous to be out here in the evening sun. So thank you, Rals is over and out, and hopefully you're gonna stay tuned for this year's projects, although I moved the gardening from inside to outside. But I think you're gonna like that I'm starting a raised garden bed garden, and I'm also experiencing with different plants in pots. So stay tuned, happy gardening, green thumbs to everyone, stay healthy and happy.